Sometimes I want to simmer soup all afternoon, and sometimes I just want lunch in 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how to make this black bean soup with just 4 ingredients, 1 measuring cup, 10 minutes. 2 cans of drained and rinsed beans. I'm going to put them all in the blender, but I'm just going to leave a little bit set aside to add some texture at the end. 1 cup of salsa, any salsa that you like. This is medium. And 2 cups of whatever broth you want. If you want it to be vegetarian soup, use vegetable stock. If you want chicken stock or beef stock, you can use that. And a teaspoon of cumin. I'm just gonna pop this in the blender until it's smooth. Okay, now that it's blended, we're gonna heat it up and simmer it for 10 minutes. I'm gonna add the unblended beans back in just to make sure it's got some additional texture. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna grab some fresh cilantro off my lettuce grow. Okay, comes the taste test. This is so good. It does not taste like it only took 10 minutes to make. Try this, super easy. Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.